I'm here in Innsbruck, Austria, and today I'm headed to a palace, another hill. You gotta love Europeans on building castles, fortresses, palaces on hilltops, and just look at the backdrop. Like, if you've never thought about coming to Austria, if you have to come to Innsbruck. Like, it's just so beautiful. Like, I can't make this up. Like, the mountains. Oh, I can't wait to go to the top. Let's go. Okay, so we're in the lower part of the castle right now, and this is the armory where all the armor is kept, and it's just crazy that there's no one else in here right now. It is 1354 and there is no one but me and armor and mannequins with bases. So, ticket was 12 euros because of a student discount. I showed my ID card, and if you're 25 and under and you're a student, it's 12 euros. If not, it's gonna be 16 euros if you're an adult. So make sure you bring your student ID when you come to Europe. I'm telling you guys, whenever you come to Europe, make sure you always look up at the ceilings. Like, it's just beautiful, beautiful. So we're in the second part of the armory now, and this is crazy. Like, I feel like a child right now, like just looking at all this armor and paintings. It's just crazy. So I just finished a tour of the armory and the fine works of, and also the museum here, and we're about to head up into the palace. So we're headed there next, and you just have to take, like, it's just so beautiful with the mountains just in the background, and my man out here doing his job, taking care of the garden. Like, this palace, I actually love it a lot. Like, and I feel like it's one of those palaces that not that many people think about coming to. So this place is called the Chamber of Emperors and Spanish Hall, and as you guys can see behind me, there's so many different paintings. And what is very unique about it is, if you dug down a little bit, you can see the names of the actual portrait of that person. And I think that is like the perfect way you can document history, document the paintings. Like, that is how you do it. Okay, we're gonna go to the next place, and you know, it's so beautiful in here. I've been to many palaces, but I don't think I've seen like a bathtub like this. This was a bathtub for back in the day. Like, and then this was the boiler room. So you could sit here, make it very steamy in here. But I just think it's cool on how you have the bathtub right there, the steamer right there. Like, they were really on to something. They were really working with some magic out here. So right now I'm actually here at the main tourist attraction or trap here in Innsbruck, and it's called the Golden Roof.
Goldene Dachroof.
Whoever said that, that's exactly how you say it. You don't say it like that. But now we're going to head to a place outside of the city or outside the old town to try to get away from all these tourists. Okay, so we're not going to go in due to how much it costs, but right behind me is the Imperial Palace, which is the... You want to say it again? So right behind me is the Imperial Palace, which is the... She said it a lot better than me, of course, again. And then, of course, the beautiful mountains in the background. So right after you pass this building, then you can head to the Hofgarten. Then you can head to the Hofgarten and have a picnic, just like us. But yeah, like I said, we're not going to be going inside. We're just going to walk past it and just see how beautiful it is. Right now, they actually do have an orchestra playing in there. Typically, they have a lot of different events going on in there that you can pay for. But yeah, we're going to head to the garden and have a little small picnic. Okay, so we made it to the garden. We have a couple of different things that I'm going to be trying. A lot of different meats, which she's about to go off the list real quick to explain all of them. Went to the bakery to get some bread too. And then we have some sparkling grape juice, sparkling apple juice, and what is this again?
Almdudler.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Yeah, that's all you need. And then apparently I have to try this too while I'm here in Innsbruck. And then I gotta try these later too. Mozart candy. So we have 7 different types of meats. The first one is gonna be pork. This one is deer salami. I'm so excited to try it. This one's wild boar, so wild pig, you know, just living out there in the wild, just living out there in the wilderness. The next one is gonna be deer ham. Kind of hard to see with the package label. Flip it around. So this one's gonna be deer ham. The next one's gonna be the neck. This one right here. This one's gonna be the neck of the pig. And this one is next.
Yes, this one.
And this one's gonna be ham. And then this one right here, we all love. While you're here in Innsbruck is you can actually come to this station and it will take you all the way up to the mountain and it'll give you amazing views of Innsbruck. But the only downfall is it's about 30 euros. So if you have 30 euros, okay, take it. If not, you can take the bus. If you're trying to get a free ride, you just have to just stand right here. Hopefully somebody will stop and maybe get a free ride up there. But I'm not gonna spend 30 euros. So we're gonna head to St. James Church. You can probably hear the bell in the background and look at the church from the outside. So you guys know how much I do love churches, especially European churches. So we're here at the St. James Church, and sadly there's a lot of construction, as you guys can see, so we're not gonna get the chance to go in. But hopefully when you guys do come to Innsbruck, it'll be open. And then plus, like, Austrian people really love their flowers for some reason. One last thing is just, I feel like all the nice European cities have a beautiful river going through their town, but not every European city has the mountains in the background and the beautiful buildings also. And it's just, once the sun goes behind the mountains, like, it's just so beautiful. All these houses. Come get your Instagram photos here and just embrace it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing all of Innsbruck with all these tips and the places you need to go while you're here in Innsbruck. With that being said, hope everyone has a great day. No matter where you are in the world, smile. And if you're not smiling, just hit me up in the comment section and we can talk about it. Ciao.